Virginia is home to a healthy population of black bears. Every year in Fairfax County, we receive multiple reports of bears wandering into residential areas in their search for food. It's important for Fairfax County residents to learn about black bears, to know how to prevent conflicts in their communities, and help us to keep bears wild. Black bears are the only bears found in Virginia. They're highly intelligent, adaptable animals that can live in a wide range of habitats, including areas close to people. Black bears are typically shy and wary of people and would rather flee than encounter a person. In suburban areas, the most common attractants include unsecured garbage, outdoor pet food, and bird feeders. Bears may also take advantage of compost piles, beehives on properties, as well as fruit trees. Open garbage dumpsters are irresistible to bears. We also receive multiple reports each year of bears taking down bird feeders on residential properties. Feeding bears, whether it's deliberate or unintentional, is against the law in Virginia. Black bears do not typically pose a threat and are simply moving through an area and will leave an area once they fail to find food. However, when bears have become habituated to being around people and receiving human-provided foods, they can lose their natural fear of humans, and this can create dangerous situations and lead to serious property damage. The last thing that we want to do is condition bears to being around people and teach them that our homes provide an easy meal. To reduce the chance of conflicts with bears, we ask residents to take simple preventative measures to remove food sources on their properties that might attract bears. This includes making sure to store your garbage in an animal-proof dumpster or store it in a secure building. We ask that you put trash out the morning of pickup rather than leaving it out the night before, and not to leave anything that smells like food on your porch, on your deck, or in your vehicle. We also ask residents to remove any outdoor pet food and then to take down bird feeders when a bear has been seen in the area. Bear attacks on humans are extremely rare. In most cases, a bear will detect you long before you see it and will leave the area without you even noticing. If you do encounter a bear on your property, you want to make sure to give it plenty of space and not approach it. You never want to run from a bear. If a bear does approach you, you want to make yourself look big, make loud noises, yell, clap, and then back away slowly while facing the bear. If you do see a female bear with cubs on your property, they should not be approached. When sensing danger, a female bear will usually send her cubs up a tree. She'll return later, usually at night when people and pets are gone from the area, to retrieve her cubs. Under no circumstances should you attempt to pet, handle, or rescue a baby bear on your property. Remember, if you live in Virginia, including developed areas such as Fairfax County, you live in bear country. Bear sightings are increasing each year within Fairfax County, and we're asking residents to do your part to reduce conflicts. Please help us to keep our community safe and our wildlife wild by becoming bear aware.